Hey guys, another adventure here at Extreme Fishing and Hunting. We're on a nice little secluded private lake.
I just heard some big jump right over there, Dad.
And Blake heard something big jump already. We're gonna go check it out and we're gonna try to catch some big bass. My dad should be on his way if he can find the place. Something just jumped right there. I had it on camera. But if we get some bass, we'll get it on camera, guys. We'll be back in a little bit. Wish us luck. See ya. Alright guys, first cast with a rubber worm out here. I think I just had a bite actually. Did you? I'm gonna try to get out there a little further. Okay. Here comes Grandpa Dale. Crocodile Dundee. What? Crocodile Dundee's here? You got a fish? Got minnows jumping out of the water here, guys. Whole school of minnows. Just had a whole school of minnows jumping out right there. Elijah, look at all the minnows jumping out of the water over here. See the minnows jumping out?
Yeah. Look.
It's okay. Just cast, bud. Yep. That cast's pretty good. That's all you need it to do. Good. Guys, this spot looks super juicy. Right on the edge of these lily pads right here. Got the green and white Senko. I'm gonna drop it in this hole here. See what happens. Just got a bite, guys. Oh, that was a good bite too. That was a good bite. I don't know what that was. Could have been a small bass, could have been a bluegill. Something just grabbed my worm. What? Cool fishing spot here, huh guys? Like fishing down on the Everglades. Thought I could hear something flopping around back here, but I don't really see anything. I've seen some minnows back there. That's about all I've seen so far. I don't really know how far back this goes. Okay, there was just something back here swimming around. What it was, I couldn't tell you. I don't know if there's actually fish back in here or what. That might have been a fish I just seen. This just doesn't look that fishy. Looks like some baby blue herrings up here in this nest, or some kind of fishing bird. I don't know if you can see them on my camera. Yeah, this spot looks pretty cool right here, guys. This open spot right here. Oh, I missed it. I missed the open spot. I missed it. There's a fish in there, guys. There's definitely fish in there. Definitely fish in there. I just seen them. Yep. Got one. Oh, that was cool. All right. Got one on, Papa. Just a little fella. There was this big circle over here by the edge where there's no weeds, and I threw my worm right in there. He hammered it. Nice little bass. All right, guys. Nice little largemouth. We're gonna put him back. Later, guys. All right, let's catch some more. Let's see if there's another one in that hole. A frog? Cool. There's a bite, guys. There's a bite. Got one, Lige. Yeah. All right. Now you're a little fishy. Not a huge one, but it's a fish. Elijah's coming over to check it out. Hooked him pretty good. Give me a little bugger. Come on over. I'll wait for you. Look. Ain't a 5-6 pounder, but it's a bass. You want to come put him in?
Yeah.
Come here. Okay, go slow, go slow. I don't want to scare anything in front of me over here, okay? Stop, stop, stop. Grab my paddle. Okay, here. Grab his mouth, grab his lip. Got him?
Oh! It jumped.
Okay, let's back up. Back up. Let's back up. Beaver's been working hard at this dam over here. This is probably the best part of the water to fish. But see if we can see what's down there. Oh yeah, look at all the sticks and mud he puts in over here. Beaver's been hard at work. That water's flowing like a stream over there. This is the headwaters of a local stream that I can't give away, because then you would steal my fishing spot. Over and out. Check out the moon. Beautiful day, huh, Elijah? Got a couple little fish. Hey guys, end of the night here. We went down a little canal here and got this nice largemouth. Not a bad one. There's bigger ones. I seen a bigger one moving in here, Dad. Big one. I'm gonna put this one back in the water. Probably back in here because it's cooler, but we're gonna let him go. Here he goes. There he goes. All right, guys, let's catch a couple more down the trail. Come on, Dad. See if we can get another one.
The top of my worm is slid down. That's probably where they've been all along up this channel.
Possibly. Tell you what, the one I seen in here was massive. All right, Pa, did you have fun fishing with your son?
Oh boy, I'll tell you what.
We caught tons of them today.
Oh crap.
Look at all the mosquitoes we caught.
Jeez, what a...
No, it was always a good time fishing with my pa here in extreme fishing and hunting.
Yes, it is.
There's the moon, far, far away. There's the truck, far, far away.
Here's another one.
All right, let's... Oh. All right, we're out here. Come on, Blake, we're getting out. We had a good day. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, YouTubers.
Bye, guys.
Please subscribe and like our video and check out our channel. Peace.